Rohan. Wake up, son. It's morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Oh wow. You are already awake.
Yes. Today we are going to the market. I am excited.
Very good. Go and get ready.
Okay, Mom.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. What are you cooking today?
I am making omelette and tea.
Nice. Smells good. How much money do you want?
Give me 5 or 6 thousands.
Mom, I am ready.
Good boy. Sit down.
So, when will you go to the market?
After breakfast.
What will you buy today?
We will buy vegetables and clothes.
And snacks. Please, Mom.
Yes, sure. Snacks also. Eat fast. We need time.
Sure, Mom.
Otto. Otto.
Yes, madam, where to?
To the city market. How much?
60 rupees, madam.
60? That is too much.
Road is busy today, madam.
Please reduce a little. 40?
No, madam, cannot do 40.
Okay, 50 final?
Okay, madam, 50.
Thank you. Let's go now.
Mom, you bargained very well.
Of course. You must always try.
Okay, Mom.
Yes, saving money is good.
Okay, Mom.
Hello, madam. What do you need?
I want a shirt for my son.
Sure. What size?
Size medium.
Mom, this black shirt is nice.
Yes, it looked good.
Very good quality, madam.
How much is this shirt?
600 rupees.
600 is too much. Please reduce, 450.
No, it's too low.
Okay, then 500.
Okay, madam, 500 final.
Done. Pack it, please.
Thank you, Mom.
You are welcome.
Welcome, madam. Shoes for you or for him?
For him. Sports shoes.
Here, try this pair.
Mom, they fit well. Very comfortable.
Nice. How much are these?
1,200 rupees, madam.
That is expensive.
Good brand, good material.
Okay, I will take it.
Thank you, Mom. I love them.
Good. Now let's eat. I am hungry. Excuse me, 2 plates of chole bhature, please.
Yes, madam, sit here.
Mom, I love cholbatur.
Me too.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So tasty.
Yes, very tasty.
Today is a great day.
Yes, son, very nice day. How much for 2 plates?
120 rupees, madam.
The food is too yummy.
Thank you. Come again.
Mom, let's go home now.
Let me buy some vegetables too. Rohan, what vegetables do you want today?
Okay. Mom, I like capsicum. Can we buy that?
Yes, sure. Capsicum is your favorite. How much for the capsicum?
Madam, 80 rupees per kilo.
80? That is too much.
Price is high today, madam.
Please reduce. Give for 60.
No, madam, cannot do 60.
Okay, then 70 final.
Okay, madam, 70.
Good. Give 1 kilo. How much for tomatoes?
70 rupees per kilo. Take it, madam. Tomatoes are fresh and red.
Okay, pack 2 kilo. How much is total?
Total is 210 rupees.
I will give 200.
Okay, give 200 only.
Son, do you want anything?
No, Mom.
Okay, let's go home now.
Okay, Mom.